What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and in this video I want to show you a new way to work on your terminal knee extension, getting the knee straight after a total knee replacement. So a lot of you have had trouble getting the last 3 to 5 degrees of extension, and you just can't find kind of that secret recipe to get those final degrees. Now, there is no secret recipe. It's just exposing the tissue to the position and allowing the body to understand that there's no reason for pain. It's not a threatening position, and just letting the musculature and the connective tissue relax and go on a stretch. But what we're gonna do is, unfortunately, I don't have a couch here in the clinic, but I've got a chair, and we're gonna pretend that this chair is the couch. So imagine the couch is running lengthwise. This is the seat of the couch. Typically underneath a couch, there's gonna be a 3-inch gap between the floor and the bottom of the couch. That's enough for you to slip your toe under. And what you're gonna do, so if this was my knee replacement, I come right up to the couch, I put my toe under the couch, my shin bone is running up alongside the couch, my hands are on the couch, and as I lean forward, I lean into it. What's happening is the friction of my foot on the floor is keeping my foot steady. My body moving forward is causing the couch to push my knee into extension. Now, it should be a comfortable stretch. You don't need excessive pain or discomfort. A little bit of pull in the back is totally normal. It's what we'd expect. A little bit of pressure in the front, totally normal. It's what we'd expect. You're completely in control of a stretch like this. So you can take it into the position. You can feel the discomfort of the stretch, but not pain. Hold it for 20, 30, 60 seconds, however long that you like, and then go ahead and back off a little bit. And then you're gonna continue to provide this repeated exposure in this position so that the muscles can relax, the pain response will go away, and the tissue, the connective tissue, the joint capsule in the back of the knee will start to lengthen just a little bit. Stretching connective tissue is a long, slow process. It's not something that happens quickly. So during the initial recovery phase, all we care about is calming things down, letting the muscles relax, and going through the motion. But once you've gone through the motion and you have what you're gonna get, if you're still lacking just a little bit of either flexion or extension, now we're gonna start to stretch the connective tissue. So long, slow, medium intensity, those are the criteria for stretching connective tissue, and just repeated exposure. Every 2 or 3 hours, you're gonna do it a little bit, hold it for 1 minute to 2 minutes, and then let the tissue recover. Guys, if this was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll catch you on the next tip.